What is going on YouTube? Today we're going to be going over some traditional window cleaning here at this beautiful property in Florida. To start it off, as you can see, there's a lot of railings, so we did everything with a water-fed pole on the exterior other than anything that was ground level. So on the insides of those railings, we were using it by hand, and on the outsides, we used the water-fed pole. On the left, you'll see the job and what we were doing right before this video was taken. This job with the water-fed pole on the outside of the property took a total of probably close right to around 2 hours with one person. And as you can see, just a normal squeegee video. What I'm doing here is I'm following my squeegee with my brush, as you can see right there. Reason I do this is so that I can catch anything that may have been missed or is going to be dripping down. So if there's a dry spot on the window, you can obviously get it quick. If there's water coming off the squeegee, you're able to catch it. This comes in really handy when you are working with inside windows. I highly recommend it for any large panes of glass especially. It just will also help up your cleanup time. So instead of having to wipe down with a towel everything or keep something underneath you to catch it, you can just catch everything right on your brush and it'll keep your brush a little bit wet. As you can see also, we are using a Techno pad. What we have instead of steel wool, we like to use it. It tends to get most of the dirt and grime that steel wool will get. Sometimes we will have to use the steel wool just on certain areas that have, little specks or little pieces of paint and different things like that. We always try to shy away from blades because we try not to keep any scratches, and it's a pain to have to obviously get one of those new blades in every single time you clean. And it's a little bit dangerous. I've cut my hands too many times on them. Right here is a little sad. Didn't want to retake the video, but some people walked by, as you'll see. And yeah, just basic big picture window. And these were the final ones to cap it off, just 4 of these garage windows. I think I could have gone straight down with the squeegee, but sometimes it's a little bit more fun to do it like a normal big window with a big squeegee. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Give us a subscribe, give us a like. Thank you so much.